Hello, it's Christina.
And Elaine from Bettina and Elaine. Did you know that all these stories from are actual real life stories from our friendships?
And we want you to share your stories with us now and with everyone else. So,
take out those swanky phones of yours and record yourself and tell us a moment from your friendship.
It could be 10 to 30 seconds, and then post it on Facebook and tag us, Bettina and Elaine.
And hashtag BEyouandme.
And it doesn't have to be fun. It can be weird or gross too if you want.
Or awkward.
Or whatever you want. Any moment.
Any moment at all. Thank you. We love you. Woo!